Case IH Autonomous Tractor. Case IH Autonomous Tractor is another autonomous tractor developed as a solution to the increasing lack of skilled labor to work on large farms in some parts of the world. The vehicle has an onboard system that automatically plots the most efficient paths depending on the terrain, obstructions, and other machines in use in the same field. Through the use of the onboard radar, LiDAR, and video cameras, the tractor can detect stationary or moving obstacles in its path and automatically stop on its own.